Hi. In this assignment, we're going to be going over how to create a calendar invite in Microsoft Outlook, and then we're also going to be doing the same thing in Gmail. So first, I'm going to start by demonstrating how to do it in Outlook. We're going to go here to our calendar and open that up. And then we're going to go to New Event. And so this screen comes up. We are going to add a title of the event. And then we are going to choose a location. And then we're also going to, in this box right here, you can attach a document. Right here, you can browse from the computer or just upload your document. And then you can also put notes in this box right here about the event, like what it's pertaining to. And then here we're going to go and we can choose the date and the time of the event. And then once everything, and then we also have to choose people to send it to. So you would go here and add your invite the attendees, and then we could go on and save it. And then once it would be saved, then it would be sent to everyone that you wanted to invite, and they can add it, accept or decline it in their calendar. Okay, so now we're in the Gmail account. We're going to do the same thing in Gmail. We're going to create a calendar event. So we'll go down here and press events, and then you can choose, or you would add a title for the event. So and then we would choose a time. We click here and then it brings up your calendar, so you can choose a date and then a time. And then here you can add your guests that you want to invite to the event. Here is where we would add a location, and then we could add the description about, what the event is about. And then, let's see. Okay, so I expanded the screen so that it shows everything on here. So again, we have, the name, the time, the date, your guests, who you want to invite. You can add your description here, and then this is also where you would upload any attachments, and then we would press save, and that is how you would do it in Gmail.